How are we doing? So today we're in Liverpool and we're going to compare Popeye chicken to KFC and which one's... Welcome to Liverpool. Today's mission is very, very simple. We're going to KFC and we're going to Popeye chicken and we're going to see which one does the best fillet burger. Sounds simple, but let's see how we get on. We're outside KFC now, so I'll see you in there. Right, let's get this party started. So, what did we order? Damn good question. So we ordered the fillet burger. That was $5.99, but I thought we'd try these zingy wing things as well. I've got no towels, so I think this is going to be a messy affair. So where's that towels from? It's not going to end well, this isn't. First of all, let's have a look at the Zinger burger, because this is what we're going to be comparing Popeyes to. So if we open it up, toasted bun, pretty small, but well, one bit of chicken, not massive, and the beer mayonnaise and salad. £6 for that. What do you reckon? Let's give it a go. So the mayonnaise is lovely. It's kind of got an extra kick to it. I don't know what it is. And the chicken's pretty thick. I still think £6 for this burger is probably reaching, if I'm being honest. So yeah, it's a really, really basic burger. I mean, the chicken's nice. The mayonnaise is tasty. The lettuce feels non-existent. Might as well just not be on there. There's no crunch to it. Okay, so let's try these. I've already got covered in it. This is not going to go well. These were a cheeky add-on, if I'm being honest, but let's see how we get on. These were $2.99. Let's see how hot this Zinger sauce is. It's not that hot at all, to be honest with you, it's alright. Chicken's actually really nice like this. I prefer this than the burger. KFC, why do you not give like serviettes out with food? I think because the music's so loud in here, I'm going to have to just talk to you outside about the burger, because all this is copyrighted. And YouTube will put me in prison. Not literal prison, but definitely YouTube prison, so we'll have a conversation outside. So here we are. I don't know how much of that footage in KFC I'm going to be able to use because it had music blasting out. I don't know who thinks that people want to eat in that environment. Also, no serviettes giving me the food. They give me like the Zinger wing things, which are soaking wet with spicy sauce. They don't probably give you any serviettes. But back to the burger, basic. So basic. The mayonnaise is nice. I think the chicken piece was a bit small, for being honest. The bun was alright, and the mayonnaise with that slight kick to it was alright, but $5.99 for that burger. Absolutely not worth it. But anyway, let's go and see how Popeyes compares. I think I'm wondering at Bold Street at the moment, and I'm pretty sure it's nowhere near here, so I'll see when I get there. So we've arrived at Popeyes chicken, and just to reiterate, I've never been to Popeyes before, so I'm hoping it's amazing. But look at this, shots fired by KFC because they're opening up a store exactly opposite. Look at that, and Popeyes is there. So maybe Popeyes have got KFC a bit worried. Just to reiterate, I just think KFC's been a bit tired recently. I really do. If you're giving somebody wings in a spicy dip, give them a serviette. What's it cost? A couple of p? Just give them it. Anyway, let's go over what Popeyes has to offer us. And if they give me a serviette, they're winning automatically. Right, let's go in. So straight away, this is a monster compared to the KFC one, isn't it? So you've got these, I presume them to be gherkins on the bottom, with looks like a mayonnaise. I presume that's a spicy sauce. And you've got this massive chicken piece inside. Like, look at this compared to the last one. That's a beast. Question is it as nice? That coating is delicious, like really, really tasty. It's not quite as salty as the KFC one, it's more subtle, it's lovely. It tastes really, really fresh. It doesn't taste like it's been sat there for 5 minutes. It tastes like it's just been done now and brought out to me straight away. Which, you know, I can believe, because how fast was she bringing this? I swear to God, I just put that order in, sat down, it was here. You don't get that very often. Yeah, for me, this isn't even close. This is so much nicer than KFC. The honey bites are amazing. This is like a proper meal. It's getting really hot now, really spicy. It's not too spicy, but it's enough to make you think it's got a kick. 1 serviette, 2 serviettes, 3 serviettes, and again the fork. KFC, what are you doing? If you don't want your customers, Popeye does. So you need to man up. Right, that's delicious. Let's go and give you my final thoughts outside. So that was a slam down, wasn't it? It was an absolute slam down. Let's just reiterate what happened here. We went to KFC, we bought the fillet burger for $5.99 and some add-on wings for $2.99. The wings were nice, but no serviettes, nothing to eat them with. The fillet burger was basic, really basic. I felt like the chicken was really small, although the mayonnaise was nice, there wasn't much of it, and there's no real lettuce or anything to give it a crunch. There's only a few like sorry looking strands of lettuce on the bottom. So for exactly the same price, we went to Popeye. We got a fillet burger with spicy sauce. That was, I think, probably twice the size in terms of thickness. And we ordered the honey bite things. Came with serviettes and they came with a fork as well. It's just night and day. The taste of that honey sauce on those chicken bites was phenomenal. Really, really, really tasty. If you're near a Popeyes, go and try them out. You will not be disappointed. It's kind of sweet but still smoky at the same time. Really, really tasty. So KFC, you need to get your shit together. If you're going to open across the road from them, you need to rethink your strategy. You really do. It doesn't compare. And the service as well. Popeyes, literally about 3 minutes. Honestly, it's about 3 minutes for them to get my food to me. No wonder it's busy, no wonder it's packed. Exactly the same price as the KFC as well. Better service, more food, more customer care. I can't even begin to tell you the night and day difference. Anyway, I'm gonna stop bleating on. I'm gonna go find my wife and daughter who are somewhere lost in Liverpool. And I'll see you in the next video. Oh, if you haven't done so far, could you like and subscribe? Because it means I can keep doing this, and I love doing this. But literally, if I only have like a few subscribers, my wife will be like, what are you wasting your time for? She's mean. Right, I'm gonna go. I'll see you guys in the next video. And if you could, please like and subscribe. Take it easy.